are going to unbox this Simpex 333 tripod. Most of you have come to know this tripod from Amazon or Flipkart. Most of you will be new photographers or videographers who wanted to buy a tripod. So this is the best entry level tripod you can get for around 600 to 750 bucks. I got this tripod from Amazon for 750 rupees, and Amazon nicely packed it and sent me it within a week. It came from Delhi. There are no suppliers in Mumbai, so Mumbai guys, you have to wait for around a week or two to get this. Now let's see what's inside the box. So this is the box. As you can see, it's an ordinary looking box. This is the carry case. The tripod comes with a carry case. Its quality of the carry case is not that great. I know it will get torn very easily. And as you see, this is the Simpex 333 tripod. The first impressions of mine, the build quality is not that bad, but it's not great as well. This is the shortest possible length you can get on this tripod. So these are the extendable legs, telescopic type. I'll show you the full length of this in few seconds. First we'll discuss the joints. So this rotatable joint you see here is used for extending the height of the tube inside on which the camera is mounted. So after extending all the legs, you can extend the tripod's height further by rotating this. It goes all the way up to some height. This is a rack and pinion type attachment here. The next adjustable movement you get is by rotating this knob. You can get the rotational movement here. Further movement can be achieved by this. By keeping your camera at 90 degrees. That's it. You can easily control the movement of your camera by the handle given here. You have to lose this nut, and we can easily pan around the camera. So this is the full length of the tripod. As you can see here, it's quite it can be gained quite height, and further height can be increased by rotating this, as I told you earlier. This is quick release. You have to remove this mount as I'm showing this video, and mount the camera on this part. So the camera is finally mounted, but as I told you, it's not as sturdy as the other tripods in the market, which cost around 5 to 6,000 rupees. This moves. See, this part moves very badly, but it's not a big issue, as most of you will not. Please do not take this tripod to this height. Please reduce it to height as low as you can. But in case if you need to take that height, it's not a big issue, as the winds will not vibrate the tripod that much, and these legs are quite sturdy, believe me. It's a good quality tripod for the indoor shots and all. I'll send some photos and videos taken from this tripod as soon as I record them. Till then, watch my other videos, and please like, comment and subscribe, and I really need your suggestions.